Greetings, Internet. I'm Stephen Gandolfi coming to you once again from the tasting room at Westport Whiskey and Wine.
And I'm Timothy Van Riper.
And as we have been weekly during this little pandemic staycation hullabaloo, we're coming to you with this week's Westport Whiskey and Wine Go Bags. Starting off with, we've got a Mother's Day bag here. This is a lovely little blend of some whites, some rosé, some sparkling, one red. A couple of things to call out here. We have the Biutiful Cava. Cava, of course, for those of you who don't know, it's a Spanish sparkling wine. It's made method champenois, unlike, say, Prosecco or something where you're carbonating through sort of forced carbonation rather than secondary fermentation. We've got a nice little French rosé from Jadot. A couple of lovely light whites, Pinot Grigio, Chardonnay, and a little white blend. But these are just like easy afternoon cocktail hour kind of wines for Mother's Day or really any day when you need a mommy's little helper. We also have a couple of cocktail bags.
Got two cocktail bags here. I'm actually excited about both of these. We got our lovely high-end cocktail here for the dudes, or the ladies as well if you like Manhattans. I'm a huge Manhattan fan. Just recently got into them. Didn't used to be a Manhattan fan, and then I started using higher-end ingredients, and I became a Manhattan fan. So this is our high-end Manhattan bag. We got the Antica Sweet Vermouth, which is probably one of my favorite sweet vermouths. Do you have one that you like more than this, or
no? There's not one that I like more than this. There's one I use more often because it's less expensive.
Sure.
Carpano Antica is in fact we're saying high end, and it is. You're better off getting it here in this package than you are just like buying it off the shelf.
Agreed. Once again, Kentucky Straight Ice, standard bitters, and Rossville Union, which is pretty solid rye.
As MGP has been rolling out their own products under their own label for the last couple of years, Rossville Union has come to be known as their flagship rye. Everybody loves MGP rye. This is them bottling their own whiskey. And if you like it, after you try it, stay tuned because we picked a barrel back in February that should be hitting shelves in August at Bottled & Bond 100 proof. I think just shy of 6 years. So keep an eye out for that.
It'll be tasty. And then finally, the last cocktail, little Prosecco, little peach, fig bitters. This thing is easily crushable, easily drinkable. It's delicious, and for $40, it pleases everybody. There you go. And I just realized that I put the Masters of Rye shirt in front of the wrong bag. Masters of Rye shirt.
Hey,
the Masters of Rye shirt.
I was just looking at how nice that T-shirt is
over here,
and I was entirely distracted by it.
You also get a T-shirt with this bag right
While
here.
Supplies last. Let's be very clear. While supplies last. They gave us a parcel of T-shirts. I'm not sure how far it'll go. I have a feeling that's going to be a popular bag. I would try to get in on it this weekend. I don't expect we also have shirts next week. But yeah, otherwise, still no events. We're not going to be doing anything this month. We're probably not doing any events in June either, as we wait and see what the governor says about reopening. But otherwise, as always, check the website, download the app. We put information on the app pretty frequently. I don't know if we have any barrel picks coming with any immediacy, at least any new ones. But stay tuned for that. And as always, I'm Stephen Gandolfi.
And I'm Timothy Van Riper. Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Hello, Governor.
I like it. I'm not going to echo it.